Hi guys, in today's video we're going to take a look at whether Benidorm is busy in August. August is of course the main month for a lot of the Spanish to take their holidays, and Benidorm Resort is meant to get a little quieter, but let's have a look if that's true. So as you can see, the beach certainly isn't any quieter, guys. Lots of people in the sea, as you can see. In the sea, as you can see. Ha ha ha. Of course, you've got Spanish holiday makers here, bring the boilies, sit on the beach, and then you've got all the blue boilies down there in the sunbeds, and of course the water park further down. So as you can see, yes, the beach is heaving today. And we have got the illegal cocktail sellers out again. You have just seen him. And one selling cold cans, which of course isn't too bad. We have got these as well. And he has just got caught. English?
No, please.
Sorry about that, I was just asked to move on a bit. So, yes. Illegal cocktail seller just got caught. It's about time. Anyway, as you can see, the beach is heaving today. So what do you think, guys? Benidorm is heaving under the Benidorm sun. I've noticed as well there's a lot more police presence at the moment. I've seen loads of police cars and police bikes. And as I said, they did appear to have stopped one of the illegal cocktail sellers earlier. And I did tip the female officer off that there was also another one on the beach, whether they got him or not. But hit the like, hit the share, hit that subscribe bell as well, guys. Be surprised how many people actually watch the channel that aren't actually subscribed. And I'll leave you with, don't know whether it's one or two, it could be possibly two up there. Parasailing.